In this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide your Facebook birthday. So first open your Facebook app and then on the top right corner click on your profile icon. Now click on your profile and then now scroll down and then click on see your about info and then scroll down. Under the basic section you will see your birthday and on the right side click on edit. Now here you will see your birthday and you will see the audience tab. So right now it's friends of friends, just click on that and then click on only me or other. So I am going to make only me. After that on the top right corner click on save and there you go, and that's how you can stop your Facebook announcing your birthday. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.